Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Exhausted by the endless cycle of worry and not enough? What if I told you that there's a way to rewrite your financial story? A way to tap into a limitless source of abundance? It all starts with a simple shift in your mindset, a powerful secret that lies within your own thoughts. Let's open the door to abundance together. It all starts with understanding a fundamental principle, the law of assumption. Now, this might sound complex, but it's incredibly simple at its core. It's the idea that what you believe to be true, what you assume about your life, ultimately becomes your reality. Think about it for a moment. If you believe you're destined to struggle financially, if you constantly worry about money, then that's exactly what you'll attract into your life. But here's the exciting part. We have the power to change those beliefs, to rewrite those assumptions. And when we do, our reality shifts with it. Our thoughts are incredibly powerful. They aren't just fleeting notions, they're energy, vibrations that we send out into the universe. And the universe, like a mirror, reflects that energy back to us. If we focus on lack, we'll experience lack. But if we choose to focus on abundance, if we truly believe in our hearts that we deserve wealth and prosperity, then we open ourselves up to receiving it. This isn't about wishful thinking or positive vibes alone. It's about a deep, unwavering conviction that you are worthy of financial freedom. It's about seeing yourself already living the life you desire, feeling the joy and gratitude that comes with it. When you start to embody that feeling of abundance, your actions naturally align with it. You make decisions from a place of confidence and opportunity, not fear and scarcity. You attract people and circumstances that support your new reality. Doors that were once closed begin to swing open. The law of assumption is a universal principle, one that has been known and practiced for centuries. It's not a new age fad, but a timeless truth that has the power to transform lives. And the most beautiful part is that it's available to everyone, regardless of your background or current circumstances. It all starts with a choice to believe in your own potential, to step into your power, and to create the life you truly desire. It's a choice to shift your focus from lack to abundance, from fear to faith. And when you make that choice, you set in motion a chain of events that will lead you to the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. Now, let's dive deeper into the heart of wealth. It's important to understand that wealth isn't just a number in your bank account or a pile of possessions. It's a state of mind, a feeling of abundance and security that permeates every aspect of your life. Think about it this way. Have you ever met someone who may not have had a lot of money, but they radiated joy, generosity, and a sense of contentment? They seemed to have everything they needed and more. That's because they had cultivated a wealthy mindset, a belief in their own worthiness, and an appreciation for the abundance already present in their lives. You see, when you focus on what you lack, you create more lack. But when you shift your focus to gratitude, to all the blessings you already have, you open the floodgates for even more abundance to flow in. It's like planting seeds of wealth in your mind, watering them with positive thoughts and feelings, and watching them grow into a bountiful harvest. Now let's talk about visualization, a powerful tool that can accelerate your journey to wealth. It's about creating a vivid mental picture of your desired financial reality. Imagine yourself living in your dream home, driving your dream car, enjoying the experiences that money can buy. But it's not just about the material possessions. Visualize yourself feeling financially secure, free from worry and stress. See yourself giving generously to others, supporting the causes you care about. Feel the joy and satisfaction that comes with living a life of abundance. The more detailed and emotional your visualizations, the more powerful they become. Engage all your senses. See the colors, hear the sounds, smell the aromas, taste the flavors, feel the textures of your wealthy reality. The key is to make it so real in your mind that it feels like a memory, not just a fantasy. Let's supercharge your wealth attraction with powerful affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, like mantras, to reprogram your subconscious mind for abundance. Start by choosing affirmations that resonate with you, that feel true and exciting. For example, you could say, "I am a money magnet. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am worthy of abundance. I am financially free." Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Repeat these affirmations several times a day, especially when you first wake up and before you go to sleep. Say them out loud, write them down, or even sing them. The more you repeat them, the more they'll sink into your subconscious and start to shape your reality. Now, let's talk about gratitude. It's one of the most powerful tools for attracting abundance into your life. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you're essentially telling the universe, "Thank you, I'm ready for more." Make it a habit to regularly express gratitude for your blessings, both big and small. You can do this by writing in a gratitude journal, meditating on your blessings, or simply saying thank you throughout the day. The more you focus on what you have, the more you'll realize how much abundance is already present in your life. And as you do, you'll open yourself up to receiving even more. Gratitude is like a magnet for blessings, drawing them to you like bees to honey. Now let's address those pesky limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. We all have them, those negative thoughts about money that we've picked up along the way. Maybe you believe that money is the root of all evil or that you don't deserve to be wealthy. These beliefs can act like roadblocks on your path to abundance. But the good news is, you can change them. Start by becoming aware of your limiting beliefs. What negative thoughts do you have about money? Once you've identified them, challenge them. Are they really true? Do they serve you? Replace those negative beliefs with positive ones. For example, instead of believing money is the root of all evil, you could say, money is a tool that can be used for good. Instead of thinking, I don't deserve to be wealthy, tell yourself, I am worthy of abundance in all areas of my life. The more you practice these new positive beliefs, the more they'll become your default mindset. And as your mindset shifts, so will your reality. Now, let's talk about action. Manifesting wealth isn't about sitting back and waiting for money to magically appear. It's about taking inspired action, taking steps that align with your vision of abundance. But here's the key. The action you take should be guided by your intuition, not by fear or desperation. Listen to your inner voice, follow your gut feeling, and trust that the universe is guiding you towards your goals. This might mean starting a new business, investing in yourself, or simply making small changes in your spending habits. The important thing is to take action from a place of faith and excitement, knowing that every step you take is bringing you closer to your financial dreams. Taking inspired action means being proactive in creating your desired financial reality. It's about recognizing the opportunities that come your way and seizing them with confidence. It's about listening to that inner voice that nudges you towards a new venture, a different career path, or even a simple conversation that could lead to a lucrative partnership. It's important to understand that inspired action doesn't feel forced or stressful. It flows naturally from your new abundant mindset. It's fueled by excitement, passion, and a deep belief in your own potential. So, how do you know when you're taking inspired action? It often feels like a knowing, a gut feeling that you're on the right track. It might be a sudden burst of creativity, a chance encounter with someone who can help you, or an unexpected opportunity that falls into your lap. When you're aligned with your true purpose and your vision of wealth, inspired action becomes effortless. You're not struggling or pushing against the current, but rather flowing with it, allowing the universe to guide you towards your goals. Manifesting wealth is a co-creative process. It involves aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired reality. By taking inspired action, you're not only creating your own luck, but you're also sending a powerful message to the universe. You're ready to receive the abundance that's waiting for you. Now, as with any skill worth mastering, the key to success lies in consistency. Just like a muscle that grows stronger with regular exercise, your mind's ability to attract wealth strengthens with consistent practice. Think of it as rewiring your brain for abundance. It takes time and dedication to undo years of negative conditioning and replace it with a new, empowering belief system. But with patience and persistence, you can create lasting change. Make these practices a regular part of your daily routine. Set aside time each day for visualization, affirmations, and gratitude. Even just a few minutes a day can make a world of difference. The more you practice, the more natural it will become, and the faster you'll see results. Consistency is key. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Even if you have setbacks or doubts along the way, keep going. Every time you choose to focus on abundance, you're strengthening your wealth muscle and moving closer to your financial goals. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable shifts in their financial lives by accepting the principles we've discussed today. From clearing debts to landing dream jobs to starting thriving businesses, their stories are a testament to the power of the law of assumption. And you too can achieve the same. You have the power within you to create the abundant life you desire. It starts with a simple choice, a decision to believe in yourself and your limitless potential. So take that first step. Begin practicing these principles today and watch as your financial reality transforms before your very eyes. If you found this video helpful, show your support by giving it a like. And to stay inspired and empowered on your journey to financial freedom, don't forget to subscribe.